Hi, just making a quick video of the Raspberry Pi dash in my '89 Merkur XR4Ti. It's going to show you the startup boot up sequence. There you go, car's starting on. You can see that it'll automatically turn on with key on and run through its boot up sequence. And it'll automatically launch Tuner Studio as well as your previous project and your current tune, and then go into full screen mode. And there it is. Boot up time is less than 30 seconds. Let me show you startup too, because everyone wants to see how smooth the readings are. This is a custom cluster. It shows AFR, fuel pressure, injector duty cycle, vacuum boost, coolant, air temperature, and voltage, as well as TPS. It is connected to a Ford VSS. So I do have mile per hour and also odometer. It also enables fuel economy, so I can see average and instant mile per gallon, as well as horsepower and torque numbers in your data logs. You can configure logging to a touch, simple as this, logging on. And it logs directly onto the SD card, not the SD card on the Megasquirt, but the SD card that's in the Raspberry Pi. So you do get full data logs. You can store months or a year's worth of data logs onto the Raspberry Pi as well. And I can toggle it back off with the touch of a button. Now it's off. Another cool thing is that, let's say you have multiple cluster, you want it to scroll through, so you give it a swipe, and now I have the default, or whatever you want here. Give it another swipe, and you can go through as many as you had, as many as you want. You might have a different cluster for tuning, for auto tuning, one for the racetrack, one for the street. Limits are endless, really. I mainly use this one here. It has everything that I need to keep track of. It does, you can see as this touchscreen, it does come with a keyboard, which is recommended for auto tuning or whatever you want to do, rather than you reaching through the steering wheel, to press the touchscreen. So here I can, you can easily open up auto tune here and just start auto tuning if you wanted to. Click start. Go to full screen if you want to, and start auto tuning. Or you can go back to gauge cluster if you want. You can see that there is no lag in the RPM needle. That's the beauty of the Raspberry Pi. It connects directly to your Megasquirt via the USB. So you have the quickest response time you can get. With Bluetooth and using a tablet with an Android app, it's not as smooth as you'd want it to be. Nothing I would use on the racetrack and depend on. You also have Bluetooth connectivity issues and reliability issues. USB is pretty reliable. It's solid. It's a solid connection. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.